This video will be similar to the previous WAN 2.1 text-to-video generator. This time, we will be looking at the Hunyuan AI project. It was recently updated, and I believe that in certain cases, you may prefer Hunyuan AI, even if it comes with a longer generation time. On the left you will see the video generated by Hunyuan AI, and on the right is what we generated in the previous video. I have shared the link of the previous video in the description if you have not watched. The installation process is similar to what I did in the previous video. The installation did fail in between, like in the previous video. I tried installing it again, and even this time I got the blue screen error but with a different message. After installation, when I tried running the AI project, I saw the installation completed message for the second time. I closed everything and started Pinokio again. Finally the project was working. It was surprising that the number of interruptions and errors happened were exact. So, I suggest you watch the previous video once. I did not record the installation part because this had too many errors in the past, hence I just wanted to test after the update, and now it can be recommended. After the installation, click the home icon on the top left. The installed projects will be visible like this. Open the project. On the left you should see image to video and text to video options. The image to video may not work. I have not checked after the update. I will make a follow-up video on this. If you click the text to video option, you should find these two presets. The first preset is fast video generation and second is the original. Fast video generation uses a different model which can generate video in fewer steps. The results are quick, but of a lower quality. If your graphic memory is less than 8 GB, then you should try the faster preset. I tried and it did not work, but the project is being updated, so it should get fixed in the future. I will be using the original preset in this video. Inside it says, we can generate HD videos of 12 seconds, but the graphic memory required is 24 GB. Flagship graphic cards are required for the best results. However, here it says graphic memory consumption depends on the video resolution and duration. This is where you can lower down the resolution and keep the duration to get the best, and later you can upscale the video before using it in your project. Below we have these two sizes. The first is 480 pixels for 10-second video. Another is a HD, 8-second video. It also says about generating a 16-second video with PyTorch compilation. Now, I don't know if the memory needed is 24 GB or 16 will do. This will also include finding the correct CUDA version and the compatible PyTorch with the project. I think trying a comfy UI wrapper is a better option. Let me know if anyone is interested in comfy UI for generating AI videos. Here it clearly says there is no point going beyond 10 seconds, the video will have imperfections. You have to try generating videos a few times to get the sweet spot for your use case. What I felt was not to go beyond 8 seconds, and have a prompt around 6 to 10 lines only. And it also says one step should be around 2 minutes in a normal scenario. I am still using this to know more. Actually testing this project is tough due to higher generation time. The settings here are similar to what we saw in the previous video. This says we need to restart the project to have the changes affected. I tried and had errors, so I will avoid this for now. Below we have the drop-down, giving us an option to select the model to generate the video. The 8-bit model is recommended. Next is the faster model. The best part is this can generate videos in just 10 steps, that will be 20 minutes, but it will be a low-quality video. On the top, there is this 16-bit model which takes more time and memory for a better result. This should be for the 24 GB cards. Next is the text encoders. the text prompt given by us are converted for the AI by the encoder. The 8-bit encoder will be used with the second and third model we saw above and the 16-bit encoder with the 16-bit model. There may be a case where a 24GB card using a larger model may need a 8-bit encoder due to memory limitations. I will not be explaining the settings below because it did not work. Let's generate a video to check the resource consumption. With the default prompt, and let me increase the video duration. 24 frames for 1 second means the video is going to be smooth. Increasing frames to 194 for a 8-second video, and click Generate. To generate a normal video using an 8-bit model, you will definitely need a 32GB system with at least 8GB of graphic memory. I got the result after 45 minutes and the result looks good. 45 minutes is too much for 8-second video, but that's what you pay for the quality. An 8GB card should be able to generate such results. The 25 frames a second video looks smooth, and the subject has no visible deformity. It was hard to get a decent body shape a month ago. I tried getting a different prompt. With the reference of the original prompt, I asked the AI to give me a different prompt. And while using the prompt, this happened. Anyways, I can restart the project and it worked. The prompt was about blue whales and the graphic memory used was a bit less, but definitely under 8GB. After 20 minutes I got the result and I forgot to increase the length of the video after the restart. The whale looks like it is going backwards. Now it's not a big deal because the subject has a clean body with no extra parts. So, I can always reverse such videos like this. I tried generating an 8-second video with the same prompt. But the result had a problem this time. The project we saw in the previous video WAN 2.1 is less resource intensive and generates results faster. I asked for a video of miniature people and the result was fine. But then the same prompt was used in the Hunyuan AI and the result was better. I did have to wait around 15 minutes more when using Hunyuan, but it was worth it. I will be checking on the image to video program and will have a follow-up video in the future. Let's hope for the problems to be fixed.